guys, Scaredy Cat Gardener Container Crops here again. I have got some leggy. Look at that guy. I've got some real leggy veggies. We need to fix this. The good thing about it is I have plenty of seeds and I started early. So if I can't fix it, I get to redo it. Okay guys, this is actually my broccoli. So let's just take this out of here. Now there's more than one way to fix a leggy veggie, any plant that's leggy, not just a veggie, but any leggy plant. But I am going to just plant them deeper. I've done a lot of research and that seems to be the way that I think I want to go. I think this pot is okay. The pot's not the problem. It's that I don't have them planted deep enough. So I'm going to actually pour them out like this. Oh, that one's really down in there. I'm going to pour them out. Oh, that one had a long one. And I am going to actually, I shouldn't have just poured them out like that, but we're going to filter through here and I'm going to get them out as gently as I can. Let's see, make sure y'all can see this. As gently as I can. Here is one. Look at that, guys. Look how long that root is. Look at that. Look at that. I'm going to lay them aside. See if I can, you know I should have counted them before I started this. But let's see. Just want to get as many of them out as I can safely. Safely. And then we're just going to plant. I'm going to actually reuse this dirt because apparently they're growing well in it. But I'm going to put them all the way down into the soil. And I really could separate them at this particular point in time and put them in a couple of different pots. But I'm not going to do that just yet. I'm going to wait till they grow a little bit bigger and have a little bit more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think that's it. And have just a few more real leaves on them before I actually replant them. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but that's what I'm going to do. So the first thing I want to do, make sure you guys can see all of this. First thing I'm going to do is put some soil back down in the bottom. I like to put a little soil down in the bottom, but not much because I need these to go deep. And I am actually, let's see, 1, 2, I'm winging this, guys, 3, 4. I'm winging this. You all know it's a learning process. I am winging it. I am winging it. I'm gonna lay that on that side. I'm gonna put 2 of these kind of close together. And then whichever one ends up being the strongest in the group, then I'll pinch the other one off as they get their leaves. This one, and here's another little loner. I don't think I have another one down in here. I think that's it. I don't see any more down in here. They came out pretty good, pretty easy. Okay, so now I'm just gonna start filling it up and gently, gently, gently. Gently, gently, gently. I guess y'all say, what in the world is she doing? She is learning. How about that, guys? She is learning. Okay. So, go back over here, and I got some more soil over here. And I need to stop calling this dirt. This is soil, guys. Like there's a real difference. And there might be. I really don't know what that difference is, if it is. I really don't. I mean, you know, it's all brown stuff that come out the ground. So to speak. Okay, there could be a lot of brown stuff that comes out the ground, right? All right, all right, all right. I've got to get these way down in here from here. And this may not have been the easiest, most productive way to do this, but I think it's going to work for me. And that's going to be the most important thing that's going to work for me. Yes. Okay, here, let's see. Okay. I don't know if they're going to continue to grow. I'm going to have to get that one back out of there. And I've got some more soil over here that I'm going to get out and use. Because now that I'm going in deeper, this is not enough. And I am using the same thing I always use, guys. Just natural, organic potting soil. This is by far my favorite. I know, you know, sometimes people don't feel it makes a difference, and it really may not, but for me, I have just found that I like this one. I like this the best. It works really well. Gotta bring this one back up a little bit. I feel like I'm making a hot mess now, but okay. We're going to see. I don't want to keep you all too long, but I do want you all to see exactly what I'm doing. And they're so tender. They're so tender that you have to really be careful. You have to really be gentle with them. And guys, I am very, very heavy-handed. So this is not the easiest task for me, actually. You all would not believe how heavy-handed I am. But I think I'm doing okay. What y'all think? Y'all think I'm doing okay? Oh. I know I'm getting hot in these long sleeves. Do not garden in long sleeves, guys. Unless you're outside and it's freezing, because whew, it's getting hot up in here. Yes. Okay. All right, all right. This one needs to go down a little bit further. And they need to press the dirt around them so that they can stand up. But I am putting them down in the dirt all the way to the tops of these little flowers, because these things were leggy, leggy, leggy. Okay, come on back out of there. If I can get this last one, we will be okay. I have a couple more I have to do too. They aren't quite as leggy as this one was. That's why I chose this one to do with you guys. Because this one was super leggy. Okay. Then I will water it. The soil was kind of damp already because I had just watered it yesterday. So the soil was a little damp already. I'll water it shortly here after I do the other ones. I'm not going to keep you guys while I do the other ones. I just wanted to show you how you can fix the legginess of it. And this should help them grow more fuller and not so leggy. I don't like that one. That one's bothering me. I guess because it's not sitting up right here as much as I want it to. So let me put a little bit more dirt in here. Press it down. I just want it to stand up. I just do. And maybe a little more water might make it poke its head up, stand up a little better. Oh, but everything is growing really well. And I am happy with the progress so far. Okay, that'll do it. And there we have it. Now, prayerfully, they will start to grow a little bit more bushier and not so leggy. So I got their roots all the way down to the bottom. Okay, guys, Container Crops, the Scaredy Cat Gardener is getting ready to sign off. Thank you for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed this video and got something out of it, check this one out. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. And don't forget to hit this button over here and subscribe. Guys, remember, anywhere you can sit a pot, you can grow a plant. Waste not, want not, and I will see you on the trail.